The most advanced winter road maintenance tracking system just got better. With HTrack Roads, it's now possible to add highways, roads, or walkways as worksites on the HTrack portal. The user-friendly interface allows you to create a road worksite from an already tracked route. Spreader settings used during that specific route will automatically be applied on the new road worksite. You are also able to preset the route in order to help the driver focus solely on driving. Add multiple segments and choose from different line colors to help recognize different spreading patterns on the map, with the feature to increase spreading pattern to the left, right, or both sides. You can make sure that multiple lanes, bus stops, and crossroads will be covered. Efficiency meets precision, only with Hilltip.